Hi, my name is Robe, and I was born in China. I've lived in several different parts of China and learned to cook many different styles of Chinese food. I've lived in the US now for several years, and I've learned to cook many Western-style dishes as well. Today, I would like to share one of my recipes with you. So please have a seat and welcome to Auntie Yum Yum's kitchen. Today we're going to cook some tea eggs. It's a very popular Chinese snack, or some people use it for breakfast. So first, to get some water ready and bring that to a boil. And while we're waiting for the water to boil, let's get some sauce base ready. Get some Chinese 5-spice. And this you can find that in Asian grocery store. And get some salt in there. And some chicken bouillon. And some anise seeds, stars. And some soy sauce. Okay, now the water is boiling. Let's put the eggs in there. So the eggs can be just directly from the refrigerator. And then you just need to handle that very carefully. Put them in there gently using a strainer so they don't drop to the bottom of the wok and crack. Now cover that for about 8 minutes. Now you drain the water. And then put some cold water in there. So by putting cold water in there directly after you boiling them, this will make it so much easier to peel later on. So once the eggs are cooling off, just drain the water. Drain most of the water out, leave a little bit, and then just shake them so they'll crack onto each other. So that will break the shell. Just like this. Now put some more water in the wok. Just as long as you have enough to cover the eggs, you should be fine. Okay, now if you want to have more marble marks on the eggs later on, you can crack it some more by using the back of a spoon, just like this. And this will also help to soak the flavor better. So now turn on the heat and you add all the sauce in there. Add Chinese fermented tea in there instead of any green tea or herbal tea. So chicken bouillon, and then the salt, and the anise stars, and soy sauce. And bring it to a boil, and then turn the heat to lower. Just let it simmer for a couple hours. Now by now you can soak it overnight, or you can start to peel it and eat it. So I let it sit overnight. You see how dark it is now? You see the marble mark on the eggs? It's very beautiful. And also because you soak it in cold water earlier, this is very easy to peel. So now you have your tea eggs ready. Enjoy!